Formatting your eye-catching resume is easy with GotResumeBuilder. After logging into your Resume Builder account, click on the Format tab to navigate to the Resume Design page. Here you can easily switch between resume templates, change font type and font size, and download your resume in multiple formats. You can use the template dropdown to browse through the professionally designed resume templates and select the one that fits your needs. You can either select a traditional template or a modern template with color. There is also a special plain text template that is specifically designed for online job applications where only plain text can be entered. You can adjust the page margin, font face, and font size using their respective drop-downs. If you find your resume flows slightly over onto the next page, you can reduce the page margin or font size to ensure your resume fits nicely onto a full page. If you have job letters associated with your current resume, you can use the Resume and Letter drop-down to switch between your resume and job letters. When you select a template with two-column layouts, our system automatically assigns sections to either the main area or sidebar. However, you can use two-column layout management window to manually assign sections to target columns. Once you are satisfied with the look of your resume, you can use one of the download buttons to download your resume in desired format, or email it as an attachment. The email button allows you to send your resume in rich text format in email body. When sending your resume to recruiters through email, I would suggest you always email your resume to yourself and then forward it from your personal email address to the recruiters. This way, you will be able to receive any replies if recruiters reply directly to your email. Congratulations on finishing this tutorial. Now it's time for you to create your ideal resume.